Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Goodbudget account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goodbudget.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Goodbudget website. Click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your credentials to log in to your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to delete your account, click on My Household at the top right corner. Now from the My Household page, at the left side underneath My Household, click on Close Household. Now within this page, you will see some warnings telling you that you will not be able to recover any of your data again. Click on Yes, I will never use my data again, and then you will once again be asked to confirm your decision. Click on the red button, which once again says that you will never use your data. You will then be asked to enter your password for confirmation of your identity. So go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the delete button and your account will be deleted on Goodbudget right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Goodbudget. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.